Hi. It's been a long time, I just met all of you. Thank you to everyone who has always supported us. Today, I will take people to a very interesting place recently in Bangkok. Wat Arun. Bangkok currently has 7 large temples, of which Wat Arun is one of Bangkok's oldest and most sacred Buddhist temples. For most Asians, going to the temple to pray for peace and health is a noble belief that they have preserved for years. Legend has it that, in 1768, when King Thakssin decided to build a new capital in Thonburi, he came here one morning when dawn. Then King Thakssin restored this temple and renamed it Wat Chaeng. It was once considered a home of Buddha, before the capital and the royal palace were transferred to the other side of the Chao Phraya River. Then, under the reign of King Rama II, from 1824 to 1851, he began to expand the central tower and decorate more porcelain materials on the tower, causing the towers to sparkle and fill with sunshine. The temple is located on the west bank of the Chao Phraya River. From center Bangkok, you can come here by sky train, or take a taxi straight to the temple. However, the most interesting experience was moving from the banks of the Chao Phraya River, and taking a ferry to the other side of the river, with only 3 baht. Entrance tickets will fluctuate, around 50 baht. The temple is open daily to guests from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The main tower is majestic with a height of 230 feet. Around the towers, decorated with small pieces of glass and ceramics, sparkling and eye-catching. You can go to the top of the main tower, and see the entire Chao Phraya River, along with the Grand Palace on the opposite side. Although called the Dawn Temple, but it is beautiful at sunset, especially when lit at night. When you look at the temple from the other side of the river, a sparkling and extremely poetic scene. This is considered a sacred place of indigenous people. In addition, this is also a famous sightseeing place for culture and beliefs. Or simply, you just want to check in a nice location when you arrive in Bangkok. We just had a free on-screen tour to Wat Arun. If you find this video useful for your upcoming trip, please like, share and subscribe to Bobo Travel right now, so we have more motivation to make the next videos. Goodbye and see you again.